Today I'm drinking a 2009 Liubao farmhouse tea.
Like wine or scotch, achieving the best results takes time. This aged Liu Bao is a daily drink of the farmers in Liu Bao town. It's a sheng or raw tea, so it hasn't undergone any artificial means of accelerating the fermentation. Just quality inputs, a traditional processing technique, and time are what it takes to create this masterpiece. Aged to perfection, this 15-year-old tea has a robust, complex, and smoky flavor. This tea is made with all parts of the tea bush, utilizing the top two leaves and bud, as well as these mature, larger leaves. The different leaf types used make it an affordable daily drink. It's a robust, full-bodied tea with a soupy, savory character. At first sip, you're confronted with a smoky flavor, but this tea has not been smoked. It's just a natural scent from the wood-fired wok used to kill the green during the processing. This tea has definitely earned a place in my rotation when I want something a little bit off the beaten path. I definitely went through many phases in my tea journey, but I've settled into a rotation of my favorites. What's your daily tea at the moment? Do you have a rotation, or do you go through phases? Let's talk about it in the comments.